Samsung's The Frame has been a smash hit ever since it went on sale, and it's not hard to understand why. Some people just don't like an ugly, big, black rectangle dominating their living room, and The Frame looks a lot more stylish. It's got wooden bezels, it shows nice, classy artwork, and when it's off, it looks just really nice. But as a TV, it's always just been kind of meh, okay. Not the brightest, not the best. But that changes today. Samsung just announced the new Frame Pro, and now it's supposed to be just as good of a TV as a canvas for art. Samsung made two big changes that put the Pro in the Frame Pro. First, this TV now uses mini LEDs, but not like you'd expect. See, when I heard that, I assumed there would be all these dimming zones behind the screen for more precise lighting, better brightness, better black levels, and so on. But Samsung told me that they're actually at the bottom of the screen. So the Frame Pro is still kind of edge-lit, but there are a lot more LEDs for some of the effect of local dimming. So it should look better than the Frame, but will it look as good as a full mini LED TV? We'll see when it ships this spring. But the picture quality has taken a big step up, according to Samsung. Can't really say how much better the picture is here with these demos they have. It's brighter, but Samsung won't say how much brighter or make any real statements as far as how much of a leap up this is over the Frame. But it is mini LED in some sense. As for the second big upgrade, it's the wireless One Connect box. There's no longer a thin cable running between the TV and the breakout box where you plug in all your gaming consoles and streaming boxes. Now, that connection is wireless. So that's one less telltale sign that this is a piece of tech and not a frame on your wall. So even if the mini LED system is not quite what I expected, there are other upgrades here too. The peak refresh rate is now 144 Hertz, so for you PC gamers out there, that's better than 120 Hertz, I suppose. And the breakout box uses Wi-Fi 7 for better connectivity. So like always with the Frame and the Frame Pro, you can subscribe to Samsung's art store and show some really nice pieces on your wall. But as far as new software goes, there is a ton of new AI features. It's almost inescapable. It's all called Vision AI. There's live translate, you can generate your own wallpaper, there's click to search to show you what actors are on screen, even what food is being shown on screen and show you recipes on how to make that food. I'm very curious to see how accurate or way off the mark that's going to be once this TV actually comes out. People love the Frame, but if you're a TV nerd like me, it's always been kind of a compromise and not the best TV when it comes to the specs that count. This year, with the Frame Pro, Samsung wants to change that. Will it pan out? We'll see. But for all of our TV coverage here at The Verge, check out our YouTube channel and TheVerge.com.